Hello folks, I am your host Ali Raj and you are watching Guess Sightman.
Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, let me walk you through the final end of the day capstone project. If you guys remember, in the previous lesson, we have been able to train a very simple machine learning regression model, and we have been able to simply create an application that's look like that, and where you feed it in a temperature in Celsius and you should be able to get Fahrenheit prediction. It was very pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And so what I wanted to show you guys right now is I wanted to show you guys the final capstone project. So in this project we will train a simple machine learning model to predict the employee salary based on the number of the years of experience using the Amazon SageMaker canvas without writing any single line of code. So here is the simply the data set. I am going to have the year of experience and I want you guys to predict the salary for me. And if you would like to visualize the data, this is simply the visualization of the data. So it's again, you can fit the nice straight line here that can go through the data, and here are the key steps that I want you guys to perform in that project. First, I want you to upload the salary.csv data to S3. Next, I want you to select the target column and plot the distribution. Third, I want you to build a new machine learning model using Amazon SageMaker canvas, and then I want you guys to analyze the result and tell me what is the accuracy of the trained model. And then finally, I want you guys to test the trained model performance using the least 3 sample years of experience. So that's it. That's all I have for this project overview. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please go ahead and give it a shot. Just get your hand dirty with the Amazon SageMaker canvas, and then in that next video I am going to show you guys the proposed final capstone project solution. So please stay tuned, best of luck, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.
गेट साइटमेंट को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि इस जैसी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें।